Students, let me clear one point right now. Problem number 3, the answer is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 as we have got. It's not 2.5, okay? One or two answers itself are wrong. Remaining everything is correct, students. Question number 6. Problem number 6. Two wires as shown in the figure are connected in series in a circuit. See here. The wires, I have just shown the figure to explain to you. Nothing else beyond that. The currents are in the opposite direction. Okay. This is the length S. Length AB. It's like this. This is A and this is B here. This is the figure given in the textbook, not from my pocket. Two wires shown in the figure are connected in series circuit and the same amount of current 10 ampere passes through both of them. Means current through the wire 1 is equal to, this is given here. Current through the wire 1 is equal to current through the wire 2, and that is 10 ampere. Passes through both but in opposite direction. Means the force is the force of repulsion. If the direction of current in both the wires is same, it is force of attraction. But here the direction of currents are opposite and hence the force is force of repulsion. Separation between the two wires is 8 mm. I'll take it as separation between the two wires is what? We'll take it as R. R is 8 millimeter. Millimeter means 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay. The length of AB, that is S, how much is it given from the textbook? It is 22 cm, centimeter. Okay. Obtain the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field due to the current in wire 2 on the section AB of wire 1. Now, to find what? The magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to current in wire 2 on the section AB of wire 1. Students, how is the current flowing? In the reverse way. Therefore, the magnetic field is acting inside the paper. Means, first point is direction. Direction of B is perpendicularly downwards as per the, follow my hand, right hand rule. Fingers are pointing. See here. This is the direction of current. How is the fingers pointing? Inside the paper, perpendicularly downwards. One job is over. What we are supposed to find out? The magnitude of the magnetic field due to current in the wire 2 on the section AB of the wire. Now, field on wire AB, what is that? B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. Okay, what is it? It is mu naught I divided by 2 pi S, magnetic field. Here I can't show it I, you'll get confused otherwise. B is equal to mu naught I, magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current. Here I is I2, magnetic field due to the current in the wire 2 on wire AB. What is this expression? Magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current, and that is mu naught I divided by 2 pi S. Therefore, B is equal to mu naught into I2 multiply and divide by 2. You get it as 4 pi S. I have multiplied and divided by 2. The intention is only to make mu naught upon 4 pi as 10 raised to minus 7, because mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 SI unit, students. So, तुम्हाला directly cancel करता येतं. If I multiply and divide by 2, what is I2? I2 and I1 are same. 10 divided by into 2 divided by length AB. What is length AB? 22 into 10 raised to minus 2. What about the answer here? It is 10 raised to minus 6. This is 2 1s are 2 11s are 1 upon 11 into 10 raised to minus what? Minus 5. 1 upon 11 into 10 raised to minus 5. Are you okay here? One answer. That is 10 upon 11 into 10 raised to minus 5. I think we are not supposed to take it as S. We are supposed to take it as R, students. Distance between the two we are supposed to take. Just 1 minute. हे R आहे. जरा 2 मिनटं थांबा. हे बघा, R घ्यायचं आहे. वी आर नॉट सपोज टू टेक S. F इज इक्वल टू बी आल ते फोर्सला. Magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current is mu naught I2 into 2 divided by 2 pi R. I have multiplied and divided by 2 to make this as 4 pi. आता पुढे बघा. This is, I'll write it again this step. Mu naught I2 multiplied by 2 divided by 4 pi, here precisely R. Mu naught upon 4 pi is equal to simply 10 raised to minus 7, as mu naught is 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. I2 10, this is 2, divided by R is what? R is distance between the two wires, and that is 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So what do we get here, students? हे बघा, 10 2s are 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8 into 10 raised to minus 7 plus 3. 10 2s are 20 divided by 8 minus 7 plus 3. Students, it is minus 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. Okay, into 10 raised to minus 4. This is magnetic field here. Tesla you have to write. This is the expression for magnetic field here. Now, also obtain the magnitude and direction of force on the wire 1. What is the force on the wire 1? It is B I2 into L. Magnetic field is 5 by 2. I'll show you the answer. I2 10. L is length. Now you take the length AB. And that length AB is, I'll write here, LAB. What is the length AB they have given? If I am not wrong, 22 centimeter. See the answer. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 22 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50 plus 5 55. Are you okay here? 55 into what? 55. 550 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 watt Newton. Are you okay here? Yes. So this is the answer here. 550 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton. Are you okay with this? Are you okay? हे एक झालं. आता problem number 7. A very long straight wire carries a current given. Current is 5.2 ampere. Done. पुढे, what is the magnetic field at a distance of? I will take it as R at a distance of what? 3.1 centimeter. I have converted it into meter. From the wire. To find what? Magnetic field. Formula is what? B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi R. Again multiply and divide by 2. Why? Same reason. Mu naught into 2I divided by 4 pi R. Okay. Therefore, B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi. Directly you can substitute as 10 raised to minus 7. 2. I 5.2 divided by R is 3.1 into 10 raised to minus 2. See here. This is minus 7 plus 2. Minus 5 at one side. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 10.4 divided by 3.1. So the answer approximately should be what? Andaze 3.2. 3 3s are 9. 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 टेस्ला. थोडा आन्सरमध्ये मिस्टेक आहे मुलांनो. आताच सांगते. ओके. टेक्स्टबुक आन्सर इज 8.35. ॲक्च्युअली इट इज नॉट सो. इट इज 3.2. इज इट ओके? Is it okay? Is it fine here? Come on. Problem number 8. Problem number 8 is what? Currents of equal magnitude flow through two long parallel wires separated by given distance of separation between them is what? 1.35 centimeter. I am converting it into meter because you are supposed to calculate the answer in SI unit. If the force per unit length F upon L is given on each of the wires is 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. Done. What must be the value of I to find what? I. Formula F upon L, we have F upon L is equal to what? Mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi r. Okay, I1 and I2 are same. We are supposed to find out that a very long current of equal magnitude means given is I1 is equal to I2, take each is equal to I. So what will be the formula here? F upon L is equal to mu naught I square होणार है divided by 2 pi r. Are you okay? Are you okay students? Make it more easy. कसं? F upon L is equal to multiply and divide by 2. 2I square divided by r. F upon L ची व्हॅल्यू घाला. It's 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi directly minus 7 because mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 मुलांनो. That's more easy to solve. I square don't know. Divided by r. R is how much? 1.35 into 10 raised to minus 2. Therefore, tell me what is I square here. Cross multiply. 1.35 10 raised to minus 2 4.76 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 7 into 2. Are you okay here? I tell you the approximate answer. हे बघा 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6 2 8s are 16. हे बघा हे 1.35 हे 2.38 आणि सॉरी -4 -2 -4 -4 plus 7 -4 plus 7 is plus 3. Okay, 1.35 I can round it off as 1.4 and when you calculate the value comes out to be, it's correct ना students, it is 56.7 ampere येतं. कळतंय? हे बघा 13 2s are 26 केलं. 26 आणि हे 10 raised to 2 केलं. 26चं स्क्वेअर रूट किती येणार? 5. आय होप यू ॲग्री. कळतं ना? 5 आणि मग त्याचं ह्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट घ्या म्हणजे 10. हे बघा हे 13 2s are 26. एक डेसिमल शिफ्ट केला 10 raised to 2 चं स्क्वेअर रूट 10 raised to 1. 26चं स्क्वेअर रूट हाऊ मच? 5 आणि हे 10 56. कळतंय? अरे यार हे बघा दिस इज 1 डेसिमल इतर सारखा या म्हणजे 13 झालं ना, हे 10 raised to 2 झालं. 13 2चा अंदाज आहे अप्रॉक्सिमेट 26. आय हॅव टू टेक द स्क्वेअर रूट. 26चा स्क्वेअर रूट अंदाज आहे 5.67 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 10 सो 56.7. इथं 10 आहे ना, इधर आहे 10 raised to 2चं स्क्वेअर रूट इज 10. आता 12वीत आल्यानंतर हे सगळं शिकवायला लावू नका मला. Okay, come on. 10 raised to 8th problem is over. 9th. Look here. 9th problem. Magnetic field given. Magnetic field at a distance. Come on. R 2.4 10 raised to minus 2 meter from a long straight wire. Magnetic field 16 micro minus 6 Tesla. Done. What must be the current through the wire to find what? I. We have formula, same old story. B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. परत mu naught upon 4 pi करण्यासाठी multiply by 4 pi on both sides. Are you okay here? Are you okay? Therefore, B is equal to what? Mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 raised to minus 7. 2 I don't know. R 2.4 10 raised to minus 2. What is I? Cross multiply मुलांनो. 2.4 10 raised to minus 2 into 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 because it's micro Tesla, divided by 10 raised to minus 7 into 2. Easy. Therefore I ये 2 मार्कर रहना रहा, खुश मत हो जाओ, ये 3 मार्क्स को नहीं आएंगे. 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19.2 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 plus 7 minus 1. Answer check मुलांनो. It is 1.92. Isn't it easy? Problem number 10 घ्या आता. Look here. The magnetic field at the center of the circular coil carrying current of radius given. Radius is how much? 12.3 centimeter. Please convert it into meter. Magnetic field is 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. Done. What is the magnetic moment of the loop? To find काय? Capital M दाखवते मी ते. अभी क्या करो? अभी what is the magnetic field at the center of the circular coil carrying current? Mu naught I divided by 2R. Students, एक टेक्निक पाय आर स्क्वेअरनी मल्टिप्लाय करा. आता पाय आर स्क्वेअरने का मल्टिप्लाय करायचं? सी हियर, 1 minute. B is equal to mu naught pi r square into I divided by ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय करा 2 pi r cube. Now you may ask me, टीचर का कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करते उगाच? This is what here? Again multiply by 2. This is mu naught upon 4 pi, एक साइड में गया. 2 pi r square is the area of the circular coil and I is the current divided by r cube. Is it easy now? आता तुम्ही म्हणाल का हे बघा, हे आन्सर आहे त्याचं. Therefore B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi granted minus 7. 2 current multiplied by area is magnetic moment. I into A is magnetic moment and that is what is asked. Okay, divided by r cube. So मुझे बताओ what is M then? M is r cube B divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. R cube is what? 12.3 into 10 raised to minus 2 cube. B is 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Don't worry, the answer comes as 5.954 into 10 raised to minus 2 ampere meter square. काय काळजी करू नका. It is correct, students. Is it okay? 10th problem. Go to the 11th. Come on. 11th problem is what? A circular loop. Students have to stop. Till 10 I will take. In the next class I will take the remaining. Come on. We'll stop, students.